Did you know that your car's dash cam could do more than just record your drive? Imagine having a camera that not only captures the road, but also keeps an eye on the inside of your car, even in the dark. That's exactly what the Rexing V3 dual camera offers. With full HD 1080p recording both in front and inside the cabin, plus some cool features like Wi-Fi connectivity and infrared night vision, this dashcam promises a lot. But is it really worth your investment? Let's dive in. Welcome to Autovated, where we break down the latest automotive tech to make sure you're making smart buying decisions. Today, we're reviewing the Rexing V3 dual camera dashcam. This compact device packs a punch with features designed to enhance your driving experience, whether it's recording your daily commute or protecting you in case of an accident. The Rexing V3 provides dual 1080p recording. One camera faces forward and the other captures the cabin. Both cameras feature 170-degree ultra-wide-angle lenses, so you're getting a comprehensive view of your surroundings. Whether you're driving in broad daylight or during nighttime, the infrared night vision ensures clarity in the cabin, while the wide dynamic range fine-tunes exposure on both cameras in low-light situations. Now, let's talk features. First up, the Wi-Fi connectivity. The Rexing V3 allows you to view, save, and share footage directly from your phone using the Rexing Connect app. Available for both iOS and Android, this feature makes it easier than ever to manage your dashcam recordings. Plus, with the optional GPS logger, you'll get precise data about your location, speed, and the exact time and date of the footage. Another standout feature is the supercapacitor. Unlike traditional lithium-ion batteries, this supercapacitor handles extreme temperatures, making it ideal for both hot and cold climates. That means your dashcam is less likely to fail in harsh weather. When it comes to parking, the camera's parking monitor kicks in and records any motion or impact around your vehicle, making sure your car is always under surveillance. To get the most out of this, you'll need to connect the optional hardwire kit. Of course, no dashcam would be complete without loop recording and a gravity sensor. The V3 comes with both. Loop recording ensures the camera continuously records, overwriting the oldest footage once storage is full. Meanwhile, the gravity sensor locks video footage during a collision, preventing it from being overwritten. All recordings are saved securely, giving you peace of mind. So what's good about the Rexing V3? Let's get into it. The dual-channel recording is fantastic for both front and cabin views, making it perfect for rideshare drivers or anyone who wants additional security. The infrared night vision works really well, offering clear footage even in dimly lit environments. The Wi-Fi connectivity and GPS logger are convenient and practical features that make managing your footage a breeze. But, as with any product, there are some downsides to consider. First, while the installation is relatively straightforward, it's not as easy as plug and play, especially if you want to take full advantage of the parking monitor and GPS features. The parking mode is a great feature, but you'll need to buy the hardwire kit separately to get it working, which adds to the overall cost. Now, let's compare the Rexing V3 to a couple of competitors. Compared to the Vantrue N2 Pro, the Rexing V3 offers a slightly wider field of view and infrared night vision, but the Vantrue model boasts better overall build quality and is a bit more reliable in extreme conditions. Meanwhile, the Garmin 66W, although pricier, offers superior video quality and cloud storage options for more advanced users. If this review is giving you the lowdown you need, why not hit that like button and subscribe for more honest product reviews? We'll keep you in the loop for all the latest in automotive tech. The Rexing V3 is a solid option for drivers who value both security and ease of use. If you're mainly looking for a simple dash cam that records front and inside footage with solid night vision, this is a great choice. However, if you're after a more premium build or additional features like cloud storage, you might want to consider looking at some higher-end models. For most drivers, the Rexing V3 offers excellent value, especially if you're looking to balance quality with affordability. If you want something with more advanced options but are willing to spend a bit more, the Garmin 66W might be worth considering. Thanks for tuning into this review. If you're interested in the Rexing V3 or have any questions about it, drop a comment below. Let's keep the conversation going. And remember, For your ride safety, don't just drive. Drive smart with Autovated. Goodbye. Until next time, when we'll be taking a look at another innovative car product to keep you moving in the right direction.